Hi guys, so this is the car we have, 2011 BMW. We got issues with this, white smoke, lot of smoke, and the turbo issue. Let me start the car. Yeah, can you start the engine please? Hi, this is BMW 2011. Came with a lot of white smoke. And have a look. There's too much smoke coming. In London, we're trying to use a Graphenizer G1, G2, and then we'll see the difference afterwards. This is before, and we'll see how it works afterwards. You can see the smoke. There's too much white smoke coming around. So let's have a look. So now we'll be using this Graphenizer 1 and 2. Shake a lot. Check which one is going in there first.
This two is going to the engine.
This is Graphenizer 2. It's 2 or 1 goes to the engine. So Graphenizer 2 going into engine oil, 1 in the engine oil, and
No,
then
this two is going to the engine.
and then we're also using Graphenizer. Yeah, 1. Graphenizer to the engine oil again. We have just changed the engine oil and air filter as well. So you have to make sure that the air filter has to be changed before you use this. So the other one we're gonna inject to the air filter. And one is going to the fuel tank. Let's see. Rev it, please. Rev. So more. Tell him to. Tell him to rev more. So lot of smoke everywhere.
You can see it from here. You can be seen.
See?
Normally it's a hell of a lot when you're driving it, the whole window's covered in smoke.
Sorry?
So when you drive, the whole window's covered in white smoke.
Wow. When he's driving, the
But that you can't even
complete
see